have to start the day yet. I just wanna stay, even if we run late. This morning, let's take our time.
Hello beautiful people, welcome back to our channel. So on today's video I'll be showing you guys how I make this strawberry milkshake and then this banana milkshake. Okay, these two milkshake, I will be showing you guys how I prepare it, and then I will also be showing you guys my kids' reaction to it, So it's going to be a fun video. Please subscribe, give this video a thumbs up. Let's go, have fun. I'm done with the 2 milkshakes. So we have first on my left, there's a strawberry milkshake. So yummy. This is so refreshing, guys. And on my right here we have the banana milkshakes. Okay, so when my kids returned, they went out to the park with their dad. That's my husband. So when they come back, we'll drink this milkshake. You see their reactions, okay?
Cheese.
Yes. Hello. This for Nico. This for Nico, okay? Uh-oh. So guys, Nico, what is this? Strawberry milkshake.
Strawberry milkshake.
Strawberry milkshake. So I'm gonna take. Come on. He says strawberry milkshake. Come on, drink.
No.
Look at his face.
Yeah.
Guy, when he tests this down, he will love it. So we drink it. See. So we drink up. I'm drinking my strawberry. Strawberry milkshake, guys. Oh, drink. Okay. Yum! Strawberry milkshake! Yay! Strawberry milkshake. Somewhere. Okay, I'm ready. Think you like it?
Yes, I like it.
Strawberry milkshake, guys.
Bubbles. Bubbles.
So guys, it's very good for summer. Okay? So refreshing.
Find the right button. Player 1. Ready? Go.
Strawberry milkshake. Sammy, drink! Okay. Sammy doesn't want strawberry milkshake. Okay, drink up, drink up.
Next player 3. Next. Yellow. Together, you got 5.
So Daddy will drink someone's milkshake.
Somehow this tastes good.
Stop well.
Now that let's play again. Player 1. Ready? Go.
I finished mine.
Is he angry I'm taking his strawberry?
Player 2. Nice.
Samuel, don't be sad. Come on.
Don't be sad.
Take your strawberries. You don't like it? Sammy doesn't like strawberry. Why are you sad?
Next one.
Does Sammy want banana milkshake?
Banana.
You want banana milkshake?
Bananas.
Banana milkshake.
Yellow banana.
Yellow banana.
Green banana.
Green bananas? Samuel, okay, let's take off your clothes. Samuel is hot. Is my Samuel hot? Come on, let's go. Mickey, wait. Wait. So guys, this is strawberries. The fruit. Oh, Mickey, watch out. Sammy, come sit down. Sit down. So guys, most times my kids, they love to eat the fruits, naturally the way it is. Once you have to make it into a puree, most times they don't like it. You see, they like eating it the way it is, like raw. Once you blend it into puree or something, most of the time they don't like it. So that's the situation with Samuel right now. He's enjoying his strawberries. I got him fresh strawberries. Use your right hand. Do you like strawberries? Let's see that. Some seeds. Yeah. Good job. So this is my banana milkshake. If my kids don't like it, I love it. I love it. You can drink all. Sit properly. Do you like it?
Yes, I like it.
But you want strawberries? No, Sammy, don't worry.
So,
We're gonna put it in the trash somewhere. Guys.
guys,
Samuel,
that
Nikki, come on, drink up. So delicious.
so delicious.
Finished. Okay. You want me to drink it?
Yes.
Drink it.
Oh.
Delicious. So refreshing. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. You can make this natural milkshake purees for your kids, okay? Thank you for watching. Nikki, look at the camera. Say thank you for watching.
Watching.
Somebody said thank you for watching. Bye. Why are you sad? So guys, please subscribe to my channel. Put on your notification bell, okay? Give this video a thumbs up. We'll see you on the next one. Bye. Sorry. Why are you sad? Why is my son sad?